Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel MyPaintbrushTales. Today's video is all about painting this beautiful lotus on a blouse. This is a raw silk blouse that I chose to paint on. If you want to know how I sketched this design, there is a YouTube video I made to show how to transfer sketch onto fabric. Link is in the description box. I have picked a round brush size 6 and Fevicryl acrylic paints for this design. As I've chosen a dark fabric, painting will not be visible properly. So I'll have to coat it with white paint first and then I'll start the actual painting. Painting process will be easy if you choose a smooth fabric. Because I've chosen a raw silk fabric with a lot of lines, it is taking a lot of time for me to properly blend it. Starting off with this pink color, and you can add few drops of water to your paint if it is difficult to spread. Now it's time to actually blend the petals. I'll be starting with pink like this, and once I reach halfway, I'll start adding white to it and slowly blend it with the brush. If needed, I'll wipe off brush in between and slowly blend white into pink and cover the entire area. Repeat the same blending process for all the petals. Here is the final look of the painting, and this is me wearing the blouse. Hope you found the video helpful. Do subscribe, like and share and send your love.